Hello lads.
Pete, how are things?
Did you need to start Jack on this early, did you? You know what I mean?
Lads are getting tearful.
We're not making the moves.
Very good fella, Taking a fucking Jordan. Sailor. The sailor's like back.
To Michael. To Michael.
God bless him.
To Michael. To
You got
Michael.
a hell of a difference to my childhood.
Huh?
You got a custard cream.
Yeah, a few of them. Few of them. Yeah.
Genuine.
Hello, Paddy Love. Can I go in? I'm just going to the house again.
Declan, that's fierce big sausage. Someday.
It's a bit thin.
Good. Declan, how do you feel about the traumatic events of Michael Jackson?
I heard he died blowing bubbles, so.
Yeah, it's awful. Shocking.
Slightly uncomfortable. I'm not used to being up to tape doing this.
Get away, I'm too ugly for the camera. I'm not pretty like you. Paddy, you're not going to introduce us to your friends, no?
Huh?
You're not going to introduce us to your friends? Stop it.
No, I don't like them.
Who's that man?
That's my cousin Declan.
I know Jack. I'm Alan.
That's Lorna's brother.
Oh, alright. Didn't work that out. Couldn't work that out with your dress like Mark Bailey.
Alan, were you upset about the passing of Michael Jackson?
As I said to you, Paddy, it made a hell of a difference in my childhood.
Yeah.
You know, I was in a constant state of unache and felt very vulnerable. And now I feel a little bit vulnerable again today.
Yeah.
And actually, I think I'm going to need a moment.
Okay. We'll let you have that.
Thanks very much, Paddy. God bless you and save you.
So I dress like Mark Bailey.
How's it go?